to Aadhaar card.
Shibun kila ujor halor ke Jingti bat Pynpra bian ya kilum kabalawan ra ke Jingpynjot Pynpra ya kilum kiwa hari Bhoi district. Nakaliang Deputy Commissioner ula Shimkhia ban Tohkit halor kani kabenta khamtam haki benta jong kabernihat syadu khanapara ki bedang hap hapo kani ke district. Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi Arpit Upadya ula ong bakani kalong kamat kabakta ya kamay mariang bat khamtam ya kal air. Ula yatu baya ka special committee lathaw na kabenta ban shim ya ka Jing Tohkit kababnya halor kani kabenta.
And whenever we have received earlier also, in that case inspection has been done and matter has been forwarded to DFO territorial to take necessary action, and certain action has been taken from the DFO side also. After that there was one committee from KHASI also, they have also visited the locations and taken necessary actions. And last week also we have received one more complaint that similar kind of earth cutting is going on, because of which there is a deterioration of air quality. So for that magistrate has been deployed and action will be taken on that accordingly.